Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone overheating after iOS update. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to use your iPhone after updating your iOS, you might see the overheating problems. So let's see some possible fixes for that. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your settings app. The very first, just go to general, go to software update and just try to update your software because sometimes it might be that there's any issue or any bug with the previous software update, so it might fix with the upcoming software update. Just try to update your iOS or your iPhone to the latest iOS version, then go back from here and just go to general, go to background app refresh. You can turn it off for all of your apps, or you can try to enable this for some specific apps. After that, go back. You can also try to reduce your motion, or you can try to update your apps. So go to your app store, tap on the profile option at the top right, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for any of your app. If you find so, you can directly update all of your apps by using this update all off option. So it will update all of your apps. So after that, you will not get the issue again. So after doing this, I recommend you how to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press and release your volume up and then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. Once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to just scroll the control center, and you can try to disable unnecessary connections. So if you have any unnecessary connection, it might be your focus mode, your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, cellular data. If you're not using your Wi-Fi cellular data, so you can try to disable them. So after that, just simply go back, open your settings. The one more thing you can do, go to your battery and go to power mode, and you can try to enable low power mode from there. So once you have enabled low power mode, it will limit your processing and also your usage of your phone. So it will limit all over your heat effect. After that, just simply go back. You can also try to use battery usage. So just try to check if any of your app is using more than battery without knowing you. So if you might see any app or any suspicious app here which is using your iPhone battery, but you don't remember that. So you can try to delete that app from your iPhone to get a perfect rest. So once you have done, just go back. You can also try to reduce your iPhone brightness, or also you can try to reduce your motion. So go to your accessibility section, go to motion, and enable the toggle to reduce your iPhone motion. So once you have done, your phone will cool down in a few minutes. So you just have to try to not use your phone, or you can also avoid to use your phone while it's on charging. So I recommend it when your phone is on charging, so avoid to use your phone, or you just wait for it until it's cooled down. And once your phone has been cooled down, you can easily use that without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.